Well, good afternoon. We are making progress on our 2010 Dodge in terms of replacing a passenger side U-joint, in that we've got the drive line out and we have the U-joint out, and you can see what a non-serviceable U-joint would look like, and the result of that with the rusted out caps and needle bearings. This pickup, does have over 200,000 miles on it, so one of those things that definitely needs to be maintained. But this newer U-joint has a Zerk on it, as you can see right there, which is really nice. So we're going to be able to service this one. Had a little difficulty getting this U-joint in, and that I did end up messing up one of the cups, so I had to go with two U-joints instead of just one. But one of those old lessons learned: do one cup at a time, and then you don't get any needle bearings that falls into your cup. So we're going to work on getting this back in here. Just wanted to kind of give you little tips and tricks along the way. Definitely want to take your time with this. These 1-ton pickups are a little bit heavier duty than the half-ton pickups, of course. This U-joint, for example, is $100 retail, or $110, and that was the best price I could get there at Napa. One of those things, but anyway, making progress here. 2010 Dodge 3500 with the Cummins diesel.